with the remainder of the small piece, you will tuck that inside of your blouse, your sweater, your dress, whatever you're wearing for that day. Take the long piece and wrap it around your head. Bring it over. So now you will take the straight pin and then pin it like right about here. And now you will take this piece again, and instead of going upwards, you're just going to go around your neck, okay? And bring the small little piece forward, take a small pin, and you're going to pin it right about here. You don't want it showing. And that's it. So usually it's like hanging off on one shoulder, and I leave it like this. Now for a windy day, I would pin my hijab just about here, maybe, yeah, right here where my shoulder is. I would pin it right there so it's not like flying everywhere, and I still get like the shape or the style that I want for this hijab. So I would suggest maybe if it's windy or if you don't feel comfortable, just to let it loose like this. Take a pin and pin it just about here. But for the most part, this is the hijab style that I've been using lately. Again, I just love the one shoulder side. Like, it's so, I don't know, I find it so beautiful, and I like